Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Horizon. My name is Dave and today I'm going to show you how to install this awesome working retro terminal for your Raspberry Pi. This terminal has been created by a GitHub user named Swordfish90 and I'll make sure to leave a link to his GitHub page in the description below. Anyway, before I get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy the tech related content and tutorials that I create, you're welcome to subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, it would definitely make my day if you'd leave a like. And now let's get started. First of all, you're gonna have to click on the first link in the description below, which will redirect you to Swordfish90's GitHub page, and scroll all the way down to the dependencies. Then copy the command for the operating system that you're planning on installing the retro terminal on. I'm currently running the Raspberry Pi OS on my Pi, so I'm gonna copy the command for Debian. Once you've copied the right command, open up the terminal, paste it and hit enter. Then scroll down to the compile section and copy and paste the git clone into the terminal. After that, cd into the directory by pasting the second command into the terminal. Once you've done that, you'll need to compile by typing qmake and make. This can take quite a bit. As soon as it's finished compiling, go ahead and type sudo make install. And now the retro terminal should be installed. You can open it up by clicking on the Raspberry in the top left corner of the screen and heading to System Tools. You can also change the look of the retro terminal by right-clicking on it and going to Settings. Under General, you can go through all the presets and even configure each one. But apart from that, that will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I was able to help you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see straight to the point tech related videos and tutorials just like this in the future, you're welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.